Actually, meron na akong vlog nito yung color white siya, two-tone, that's black top. And actually, ang emotional red and the white black top is meron yung additional 20,000 sa price. Right? So, meron na akong vlog nung white. Please visit my page. Meron akong white, mas detalyado ang ginawa ko doon sa white. Pero itong red is, ipapakita ko lang tong red for the Hilux GR Sport. So yeah, ito na. And this is the bad boy Hilux, top of the line. Yan, kita nyo agad sa over fender nya, iba ang design nito versus the lower variants ng Hilux. So ito more on outside lang, hindi discuss ko Please check na lang yon. As I mentioned, mas detalyado yung isang video ko for the Hilux GRS. Dito pinopoint out ko lang, hina-highlight ko the body, and ito also para makita nyo yung color red na Hilux GR Sport. So yan, ang ganda ng bumper nito. Alright, yan, word siya na Toyota, hindi yung emblem. Yan. So itong over fender, balikan ko lang ulit, sobrang aggressive ng design niya. Yan. And the step board, black door handles, black Hilux word. Then ito nga palang roll bar na to, this one is not included. You can buy this separately. Okay? So actually, nakadepende kasi to, hindi mo to pwede pagsabayin with the roller lid in case you're planning to na maglagay ng roller lid for this guy. So ito yung roll bar, ganda. This 50,000 plus. Then you can see the over fender here, kung gaano siya kalapad kita mo So yan yung body niya, and this one is the over fender. Talaga naka-usli siya. Design of the mugs, yan. Actually, mas makapal yung goma niya. And the emblem, of course, the GR, Gazoo Racing Hilux. And yan, same Conquest design for the taillight. Ganda, meron niyang, of course, meron tayong backing camera. Hindi na mawawala yan, especially top of the line to. Then the parking sensor. Of course, meron tong Toyota Safety Sense. Right? Check mo yung buong body sobrang angas. So actually, sa opinion ko yung ibang Hilux, yung ibang pick-up is sinasabi nila mas maangas daw. Pero meron akong buyer nito, hindi ko na mention siya, of course, for privacy. Meron din siya mga pick-up ng other brands. Pero nung kumuha siya nito, sobrang gulat niya. Walang sinabi yung other brands sa drive nito. Ayun nga, na-mention niya na grabe, sobrang ganda ng ride. Talagang solid na solid. So, hindi ko to sinasabi, of course, dahil dito ako sa Toyota nag-work. Pero, that's coming from real life sale. Real life owner. Yun yung review niya. Yan. So, tinawag tong GR, of course, ang mga suspension nito is GR Edition. Yun ang nagustuhan ng client na sobrang ganda ng ride. Alright. Diretsuhin ko kayo. Sa ibang mga group, sinasabi matagtag to. Sinasabi nila lagi matagtag ang Hilux. Pero, when it comes to durability, nako, hindi to matatawaran. Ito yung binabalik-balikan ng mga clients for this. So by the way, meron tayong 360 camera here. And guys, hindi ko napapasukin yung interior dahil meron ako another video na months ahead ko nang na-upload. Yeah, like I mentioned earlier na dinitalye ko yon. Dito gusto ko lang ipakita yung emotional red color for the Hilux GR. Then meron din tong Attitude Black na na color. So this one is the emotional red. Yung black, napakaganda rin set-upan. Napaka-angas and aggressive. Yan. Ayan, papakita ko lang yung shark fin antenna mo. There. There's the shark fin antenna. Right? So, mabilis lang to. Hindi ko na talaga to dedetalyehin, guys, ha. Pero at least nakita nyo tong interior. Ganda. These are leather seats with combination of suede design. Gamusa in Tagalog, right? Yan. Meron siyang design ng gamusa. Ganda. So, by the way, the GR Sport Edition is available only in automatic variant. Wala pong manual nito. Same goes with the 4x2 automatic na Conquest. Wala na rin pong manual variant ang 4x2 Conquest. Pakita ko lang yung driver's seat again, pero I will not dwell into details. Yan. Ganda. Wow. So guys, remind ko lang kayo ulit na to check my other video for this one. Yeah, meron ako mas detalyadong video for this, and I am just citing this out for this emotional color red. Solid. Yeah. So guys, ina-upload ko to video right now kasi magkakaroon to na increase sa price. Hindi lang Hilux, ha. All the brands na pick up nationwide is magpa-price increase. Malapit na yan, ha. So hopefully maraming ma-reach tong video na to para at least maging aware kayo sa magiging price increase. Price increase is at least minimum of 300,000 up. So, depende yan. Meron siyang bracket sa increase. Then, advice ko lang kayo na meron kaming trade-in here. All brands sinatanggap namin for trade-in is better schedule natin, ha. Huwag kayo basta-basta pumunta dito dahil yung mga appraisers namin, we have to schedule them also. Okay? All brands sinatanggap naman. Okay? Pwede nyo gamitin yung unit nyo for down payment. Then, yung balance is financing na lang. So, gagamitin yung old vehicle nyo as down payment, wala na kayong ika-cash out. Actually, minsan may sukli pa, guys, ha. I-advise nyo lang ako kung interested kayo dito. The best kasi is ma-heads up nyo ako. Hindi lahat ng colors hindi lahat ng colors ay available. So, I have to check, of course. Advise nyo ako in advance. Alright? So, that's it, guys. Bye.